Get ready for a mind-blowing fact, guys. So, how did we figure out our universe's age? It all boils down to the Hubble telescope and its cosmic clues. But what about dark matter? That invisible force we can't see or touch. We owe it all to the Chandra telescope, which gave us the X-ray evidence we needed to crack this mystery wide open. You guys won't believe how we got a crystal-clear view of our galaxy's heart, the Milky Way's galactic center. It was the super-cool Compton Gamma Ray Observatory that gave us this stunning snapshot, revealing secrets hidden in gamma-ray light. And what about the oldest star ever discovered? That credit goes to the incredible Spitzer Space Telescope, which used infrared vision to uncover a superstar from our universe's early days. Talk about making history. These NASA great observatories are like superheroes of space exploration, each using their own unique superpower. Different light spectrums, or to show us the wonders of the cosmos. While our incredible great observatories have uncovered mind-blowing secrets about the universe, they've yet to stumble upon evidence of alien life. And that's because their superpowers aren't quite tuned in to pick up signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. Now it's time for these space legends to pass the torch. Launched between 1990 and 2003, their incredible journeys are almost coming to an end, with only 2 still soaring through space today. Buckle up, because the universe just got a major upgrade. Get ready for the James Webb Space Telescope, a millional superstar that's set to take our cosmic discoveries to new heights. You won't believe it, NASA and their superstar partners, the European and Canadian space agencies, have been working on James Webb for over 2 decades. That's right, we're talking about more than 20 years of meticulous planning, preparing, and perfecting this cosmic marvel. So, when can you expect to see it take flight? Get ready, because its highly anticipated launch is set for December 2021, just around the corner. But what's on the agenda for this astronomical adventurer? The brilliant minds behind Webb are keeping their fingers crossed that it'll uncover life, and not just anywhere, but right here in our own cosmic backyard, extremely close to Earth. But before we dive into the mind-blowing discoveries James Webb will make, let's fold up a surprising secret about telescopes. What do you think they have in common with origami art? And why would any self-respecting telescope ever try to hide from the sun? Stay tuned for this fascinating journey of discovery. I'm your host Vivica Williams, and welcome to BIGEXPLAINER. Now that we've got our cosmic curiosity piqued about James Webb, let's talk about its super cool features. The Webb's main game changer is its one-of-a-kind mirror, a whopping 6.5 meters in diameter, made up of 18 unique hexagonal pieces. Imagine building with Lego blocks, but these aren't just any blocks. They're precision-crafted mirror segments that will allow James Webb to capture the most stunning, crystal-clear images of our universe. But now, let's talk about the real question: can this space superstar help us find our friends across the galaxy? Can it detect those artificial lights from an alien civilization? The answer might surprise you. But before we dive into that, let's get ready to unfold a surprising secret about telescopes. Hey there, curious explorers. So, you want to know how James Webb is going to give us those mind-blowing views? Well, let me tell you, it all starts with its gigantic mirror. This isn't your average mirror. We're talking about 18 hexagonal pieces, each almost as big as a car tire, 1.5 meters in diameter, coming together to form a light-gathering powerhouse of 25 square meters. But here's the thing: for James Webb to capture images that are truly out of this world, it needs to stay super cool, like way colder than your fridge at home. That's where its massive heat shield comes into play. Imagine 5 layers of protective insulation wrapped in a special aluminum coating, shielding the Webb from the Earth and sun's warmth. It's like James Webb is wearing a superhero cape against the cosmic heat. Get ready for some seriously cool engineering. So, you know how James Webb needs to stay chill. Well, its heat shield is not just about keeping it cool. It's also a superhero guardian that protects the main mirror and super smart instruments from harm caused by heat and even space radiation. It's like having a temperature thermostat, making sure everything stays below a sizzling 200 degrees Celsius. But here's the best part: James Webb isn't just a big telescope. It's a tiny astronaut in disguise. Because it's too massive to blast off on its own, it gets transformed into a compact origami superstar. That's right, imagine unfolding an incredibly precise and delicate piece of space art which then expands to become one of the most advanced telescopes ever built, all from being snugly tucked inside the Ariane 5 rocket. The James Webb Telescope is about to take its first bow in space, and what a show it's going to put on. After successfully unfolding like a work of cosmic art, it'll start beaming back incredible secrets from the universe. And we're talking sooner rather than later. Unlike some legendary telescopes that just keep going and going, like Hubble, which has been breaking records for over 30 years, James Webb is designed to deliver major discoveries right from the get-go. Now, let's imagine a mind-blowing scenario. There's this hypothetical megastructure called a Dyson sphere, with a city as big as 1,000,000 twinkling lights, built around a star that acts like a cosmic power plant. This isn't just science fiction, it's an engineering concept that could be out there waiting to be spotted. And James Webb is uniquely equipped to spot it, thanks to its sleek design that's 113 kilograms lighter yet packs more punch than Hubble ever did. Buckle up, space fans, we're about to embark on a journey through the universe like never before. Here's a mind-bending twist. Even if a Dyson sphere does exist out there, the chances are astronomically low. But hey, wouldn't it be cosmic cool if one did? If such an enormous megastructure is built around a star, even Hubble might just pick up on its massive scale. But here's where James Webb takes center stage. It's designed to spot objects that shine hundreds of times fainter than what Hubble can detect, and do so in record time. So, where will this cosmic sleuth be pointing its gaze? One answer lies in its ability to travel through time. Yes, you read that right. Telescopes are like time machines. They let us see objects as they were eons ago. When James Webb looks deep into space, it's essentially peering further back in time than any telescope before it. Buckle up for a journey through the cosmos where past meets present, and who knows what secrets we'll uncover along the way. Let's get real about time travel in astronomy. We're not talking spaceships and wormholes here. What I mean is, telescopes allow us to peek into the past, showing us what our universe looked like billions of years ago. James Webb Space Telescope is no exception. It's got a mission to uncover secrets from the dawn of time. Other powerful tools, like Hubble and the Planck Observatory, have already given us glimpses of our cosmic past. Hubble lets us see how the universe was about 400 million years after the Big Bang, while Planck picked up on the faint signals of the cosmic microwave background radiation, which dates back to just 400,000 years after that explosive start. But here's where James Webb takes over, aiming to fill a massive gap in our knowledge. It wants to understand what galaxies looked like during those first 3% of our universe's history, a time when space as we know it was still in its infancy. But that's not all. James Webb is also going to take us on a journey through our own galaxy. While NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope was amazing, it couldn't quite peer around the corner into the far side of the Milky Way. That's about to change with James Webb, which is packed with technology that lets it push further than ever before. And then there are the surprises. Oh, the surprises. Just like Hubble, James Webb will likely uncover findings that no one predicted. Remember when Hubble discovered an ancient galaxy thought to be beyond its reach? It's about to blow our minds again, thanks to being 100 times more powerful than Hubble. This means it can spot incredibly dim light, like the kind produced by our universe's earliest civilizations. And that opens up a whole new world of discovery. Get ready to rethink what you thought you knew about aliens. We often imagine these extraterrestrial beings as super intelligent and advanced, but James Webb might just show us they could be way more down to earth, literally. Maybe we'll catch a glimpse of a civilization that's just mastering fire or crafting simple gas lamps. The question is, can James Webb spot the faint signs of their existence? Can it detect even the smallest sparks or brief flashes of light from a distant world? That's exactly what its cutting-edge tech is designed to do, and it might just change our understanding of life in the universe forever. Buckle up because James Webb is about to take us on a journey to unseen parts of the universe. What sets it apart from its predecessors? Its incredible ability to explore the vast range of infrared light, a part of the spectrum we've never been able to fully tap into before. You see, the light from stars and galaxies in the distant cosmos takes so long to reach us that by the time it does, it's become super faint, almost invisible, actually turning into infrared waves. And here's the game changer, this type of light can sneak through thick clouds of gas and space debris where visible light wouldn't stand a chance. Get ready for some major cosmic revelations. Thanks to James Webb's high-tech arsenal, we'll finally get a peek at where stars and planets came into this universe of ours, all hidden deep within massive dust clouds. With its cutting-edge tools, Webb can pull off a neat trick, snapping clear shots of faint objects near bright light sources. That's thanks to its ultra-powerful near-infrared camera, which lets the telescope see right through the glare. And what does it mean for us? We'll be able to witness the birth of our universe's earliest stars and galaxies like never before, all at once, analyzing a whopping 100 different light signatures from these distant cosmic formations. Unlocking the secrets of space just got a whole lot cooler. When we analyze an object's spectrum, it's like getting its cosmic DNA, temperature, mass, and chemical makeup all revealed. James Webb's mid-infrared instrument is our ticket to discovering jaw-dropping details about galaxies light years away and sneaky comets hiding in plain sight. But here's the thing, our universe is a big, vast place, so Webb needs to be laser-focused literally. That's where the fine guidance sensor comes in, an ultra-precise device that ensures this space superstar stays on target. Plus, with its near-infrared imager, we'll embark on a thrilling quest for the very first light ever shown in our universe and explore exoplanets like never before. Webb truly has the ultimate toolkit to take us on an unforgettable journey through the cosmos. Get ready to have your mind blown. James Webb's superpower sensitivity is like having X-ray vision. It can detect even the tiniest heat signatures from millions of miles away, like a bumblebee on Earth from the moon. No joke. But here's the real question: what if we're not alone in this cosmic search party? What if other advanced civilizations out there are using their own James Webb, like telescopes, to spy on us too? Adi Loeb, an awesome cosmologist from Harvard, is convinced that our very own James Webb might just crack the code and find evidence of life on Proxima Centauri b. This mysterious planet orbits a dim red dwarf star, and scientists are already tuning in for potential alien sound signals. The fact that it's just 7 million kilometers away from its star makes it the perfect place to search for water and possibly even life. Can you feel the excitement building? The plot thickens. According to Adi Loeb's mind-bending theory, Proxima Centauri b might actually be hiding intelligent life. But there's a catch: the intense radiation on its day side makes it a tough place for alien civilizations to thrive. So, what if they're living in the shadows? The night side of the planet could be where we find these extraterrestrial beings, and they'd need some kind of illumination to go about their daily business. That's when things get really cool. Scientists think these aliens might be using artificial light sources, and guess what? James Webb is more than up for the task of detecting it. In fact, it can spot standard LED lighting that's an astonishing 500 times fainter than anything we'd see on our own planet. So, buckle up, because things just got a whole lot more interesting. If we ever do spot that single alien LED on Proxima Centauri b, it's time to break out the greeting cards. But let's not get ahead of ourselves.